hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. It's been a minute since I found someone who makes me wanna know a thing about love. But oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Tend to keep myself from diving in. I get fed up with the sink or swim. But oh my God, I'm falling hard for you. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. Now I'm dying when you call me yours. Pour my heart out on the kitchen floor. Cause oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Where did this come from? Lightning in my lungs. Oh my God, don't you ever stop. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck.
Standing there, we were talking close. Started on the 4th of July. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time. Images, they were flashing outside, and I can see the glint in your eyes. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time. We were free, with the feelings that were new, and time seemed never ending as I was reaching you. Looking up to heaven, looking up tonight, looking up to heaven, lying by your side. 6 months have passed us by, standing here on New Year's Eve. Where did the time go? Oh, nobody knows, it's a mystery. Images, they are flashing so bright, and I can see the glint in your eyes. We have all the fire, but oh, we have no money, and oh, it's a glorious time. We were free, with the feelings that are true, and times are never ending as I was reaching you. Looking up to heaven, looking up tonight. Oh, we're looking up to heaven, lying by your side. of a balcony where we would watch, and I can see us looking out at another year that's gone. And people laughing, people waiting, all I see is you. People laughing, people waiting, and all I see is you. Free with the feelings that are true. Time stood waiting as I was reaching you. We were free with the feelings that are true. Time seemed never ending as I was reaching you. We're looking up to heaven, we're looking up tonight. Oh, we're looking up to heaven, under your stars.
I tried to write you a song that no one's ever heard before. Wrote lines and words of our love, but somehow it needed more. Oh, maybe the way that our hearts became true is the same way they all do. When I wake up, I want to see the sun shine across your face. When I walk with you, I want your hand in mine in your pocket space. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. All these words, they've been oversung. All the ways to say that you are mine. But the moment that our eyes align, I'll remember for a long, long time. Oh, maybe our love may be typical. Oh, but baby, you're something special. When I wake up, I want to see the sun shine across your face. When I walk with you, I want your hand in mine in your pocket space. When we make up, I want to sing this song to apologize. When I grow old with you, I want to see your smile in the lines around your eyes. Our love is typical. 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 Our love is typical.
Where you been, darling? Chasing after God in a wayward car. It's time to get started. I can hear the echoes from where you are. All you got is breath. that's full of chemical. And we're going back now. Forward. Fields are green to build a fire where you can see for miles and miles. We're not making sense again, but you make sense as my new friend. Will you look into my eyes and then fall into my skin when I'm not making sense again? When life ain't making sense again, you can always call a friend. Take a look into their eyes or just fall into